In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram not linking to TikTok. So there are 7 things you can try and I'll go over all of them. First, go and check your app connections by opening TikTok, going to your profile, then your settings and privacy, share profile and Instagram. Make sure Instagram is properly logged in and authorized. After trying that, go and update both apps. So go to the App Store or Google Play Store and just ensure TikTok and Instagram are updated to the latest version. Next, what you can do is re-log in to Instagram. So open Instagram, go to Settings, Security and then log out. And go and log back in and try linking TikTok again. Next, what you can do is clear your cache on TikTok. So go to Settings and Privacy, click Free Up Space and then go Clear Cache. Then again, attempt to link Instagram. Next, check your account restrictions. So make sure your Instagram account is not private, restricted or blocked. TikTok needs proper permissions to share content. Next, try reinstalling TikTok. So go and delete TikTok, reinstall it and try linking Instagram again. And the final thing you can try is to confirm the permissions. So on your phone, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, and then Permissions. Now ensure TikTok has access to Instagram and accounts. So that's 7 things to fix Instagram not linking to TikTok. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.